host of Live Rescue. Tonight, we have more than 30 cameras embedded with firefighters, paramedics, and EMTs in Mesa, St. Louis, Chattanooga, Sacramento, Patterson, New Jersey, Tallahassee, and San Bernardino, California. Some of the first responders we're riding with tonight include Captain Keith Wade in Sacramento. It's in the blood in the Wade family. Keith and his brother have been firefighters for 18 years. Over in San Bernardino, it's Battalion Chief Steve Tracy. Steve's a third-generation firefighter who's been in the service for over 24 years. And in Patterson, New Jersey, Fire Chief Brian McDermott has 24 years on the job. He has one brother who's a police captain and another who's a firefighter right nearby in Newark. And joining me on set tonight from the Tulsa Police Department, looking sharp, Sean Sticks, Sergeant Sean Sticks. Like, I don't mean to remind you of your title there. And from DeKalb County Fire and Rescue, Battalion Chief Helani Lebdog. Glad to have you guys here.
Thank you, sir.
So we're going to go back to St. Louis, where the Cardinals won in extra innings, but one fan may be going on the DL.
Two. What's up?
He fell off his bike. He's got a black rug over his right eye. He's pretty intact. He got hit by a bus, but police officer that witnessed it.
We're on same team. All right. Hi, buddy.
Is there something wrong, or?
Yeah, you got a cut on your eye. You're
Yeah,
bleeding.
remember you need to get stitches, bud?
Yeah. We'll get the stretcher for you, all right? I don't want you walking. You're good. You been drinking a little bit?
Yeah.
Some assholes.
He's got ETOH on board. Here's his ID.
Thanks.
So,
Is there something wrong?
no, bud, you fell. You fell off your scooter, remember?
Yeah. We're gonna get this on you here, okay? We're gonna run you over to the hospital.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to put a collar around your neck.